Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to configure and set up person accounts in Salesforce. This feature is essential if you're working with individual customers rather than just businesses, allowing you to manage personal information more effectively within your CRM. Let's start by accessing the Setup area. Click on the gear icon at the top right of your Salesforce interface, then select Setup from the drop-down menu. This is your control center for all configuration tasks in Salesforce. Once you're in Setup, you'll need to locate the Person Accounts settings. In the Quick Find box on the left side, type in Person Accounts and select it from the results. This will take you to the configuration page where you can enable this important feature. Before you proceed, Salesforce wants you to understand the implications of this change. Click on View Org Impacts to review what enabling Person Accounts will mean for your organization. This is an important step because enabling Person Accounts results in permanent changes to your Salesforce org. After reviewing the impacts, you'll need to acknowledge that you understand these changes are permanent. Check the box that says, I understand that enabling this feature results in permanent changes to my Salesforce org, then click Continue. This confirms you're ready to move forward with the setup. Now, here's an important prerequisite. If your organization doesn't already have an account record type setup, you'll need to create one first. Click Setup and create a new record type. Label it Business Account, select your preferred layout, click Next, and then Save. This business record type is necessary before Person Accounts can be enabled. Once you've created the business account record type, refresh the page. You may need to refresh it a few times until the Enable Person Accounts button becomes active. This can take a moment as Salesforce processes the record type creation. When the button activates, click Enable Person Accounts. A warning will appear to remind you once more about the permanent nature of this change. Confirm the warning and click Enable to proceed. Salesforce will now activate Person Accounts for your organization, and a Person Account record type will automatically be created. With Person Accounts now enabled, you need to configure profile access so users can actually work with them. In the Setup Quick Find box, type Profiles and select it. This is where you'll control which users have access to Person Accounts. Select the profile you want to configure, such as System Administrator. Under Record Type Settings, locate the Account section and click Edit. This opens the Record Type Assignment interface where you'll specify which account types this profile can use. You'll see two columns, Available Record Types and Selected Record Types. Move Person Account from the Available column to the Selected column. This grants the profile access to create and manage Person Accounts. Next, you need to set default record types for this profile. Set the Person Account default record type to Person Account and set the Business Account default record type to your Business Account type. Make sure you don't select Master as a default, as it's just a template record type. Click Save to apply these settings. If you have other profiles that need access to Person Accounts, repeat this process for each relevant profile. This ensures all your users have the appropriate access based on their roles. And there you have it, Person Accounts are now fully configured and set up in your Salesforce organization, allowing you to manage individual customers alongside your business accounts seamlessly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.